Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix VS Code extension installation error. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you cannot install the extension from the VS Code, what you can do here, you can open a browser, then you just need to write VS Code Market. Probably it will be the first link, click on it. Then here you will see all the extensions that there is available. So what you can do here, you can search manually or search on featured. So for example, let's select this one and then don't press install, wait until this bar loads up and that says download extension. Click on it. Then as you can see here, I need to download it and it's downloaded. Then go to VS Code, go to extensions panel here, press on the three dots, install from VSEX, downloads, here, install. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What you need to do here, if you're getting extension error fix, you can install it manually. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.